and keep your lawn healthy and tidy with it. Stylish design, smooth lines, beautiful and practical. This thatch rake clears fallen leaves, twigs, and other debris from your lawn to better absorb air and sunlight, which promotes healthy growth and stunning landscaping. Our adjustable garden rakes can give you a lush and vibrant lawn, double-sided carbon steel teeth design. Metal lawn rake can be used on both sides. One side is designed to clean the garden by removing debris, while the other side can smooth the soil to a flat surface. This heavy-duty lawn-loosening soil rake slightly loosens topsoil, allowing air, sunlight, water, and fertilizer to reach healthy grass, durable structure. Lawn thatching rake is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is strong, durable, anti-scratch, and not easy to deform. It can bear the weight of various soils and leaves. The curved steel teeth are made of carbon steel with anti-rust powder coating, safe and reliable. It ensures durability and longevity. Ever tried raking leaves with a flimsy rake? It's like herding cats. One autumn, my rake snapped mid-swipe. Leaves laughed at my misery. I vowed to find a rake that wouldn't betray me under pressure. Enter the YEELOR Thatch Rake, built like a tank, yet sleek as a sports car. Its double-sided carbon steel teeth. One side cleans, the other smooths soil. Adjustable handle, perfect for tall folks or kids pretending to be gardeners. Ergonomic grip. My hands said goodbye to blisters and hello to comfort. Durable stainless steel. This rake laughs in the face of rust and deformation. Now my lawn absorbs air, sunlight, and compliments from nosy neighbors. YEELOR isn't just a rake, it's a lawn whisperer, a debris conqueror. So ditch the drama and grab the rake that works as hard as you do. Customer reviews, 4.3 out of 5 stars, no one. Last fall, I put this to the test. We had an extremely dry summer, which meant a lot of detaching needed to be done. It's held up through all of the abuse I've given it.